3:30 in the morning, Kazanlak, Bulgaria. The Rose Valley is completely dark.
In Kazanlak's rose farming families, the harvest wakes everyone. Grandmother, mother, daughter.
The Rosa damascena rose produces its maximum concentration of essential oil between 4 and 6 in the morning, when the
At peak season, a single large rose estate in Kazanlak employs 200 to 400 pickers, who begin simultaneously at an experienced Bulgarian rose picker harvests between 1.5 and 2 kilograms of Rosa damascena flowers per hour, working with both hands simultaneously.
The Kazanlak Rose Valley sits between two mountain ranges, the Balkan Mountains to the north and the Sredna Gora Range.
Three and a half tons of these petals, picked by hand before 10 in the morning to produce 1 kilogram of Bulgarian rose otto.
Rosa damascena, the damask rose, takes its name from Damascus, Syria, where it was cultivated over 2,000.
Rosa damascena pina is nothing like the roses sold in florist shops. The damask rose carries 30 to 40 densely packed
continents. A single Rosa damascena bush in full production carries blooms at every stage simultaneously. Buds, Rosa damascena evolved to release its fragrance during the warm part of the day to attract pollinators. But for rose oil,
Rosa damascena blooms for only 5 to 7 days per individual flower before the petals fall. The entire plant's flower
The Kazanlak Rose Valley has been designated a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity. Rosa damascena does not grow reliably from seed. Every rosebush in the Kazanlak Valley is propagated from stem cuttings taken in autumn.
Through the Bulgarian winter, the rose cuttings sit dormant in the soil, neither
Young Rosa damascena plants are transplanted to permanent field positions in their second spring. They will stay in these exact positions for the next 50 years.
After the May harvest, Rosa damascena bushes in Kazanlak are cut back severely.
A well-maintained Rosa damascena bush in the Kazanlak Valley produces flowers for 50 years. The oldest productive rose bushes in
Kazanlak rose farming uses almost no synthetic chemical inputs. The Rosa damascena is remarkably disease-resistant when grown in its adapted Bulgarian microclimate.
Late April in Kazanlak. The buds are swelling. The pink is beginning to show between the green leaves. Listen, Sid. The Rosa damascena flower opens completely within 3 hours of dawn. Its oil concentration peaks when it is fully open and sinks. The difference between a Rosa damascena petal picked at 5 a.m. and one picked at 11 a.m. is measurable in the laboratory.
Peak harvest days in Kazanlak begin at 4 a.m. and end at 10 a.m. 6 hours.
On a peak harvest morning in the Kazanlak Valley, thousands of pickers work simultaneously across dozens of estates.
The most experienced rose pickers in Kazanlak are women in their 60s and 70s, who began picking alongside their mothers.
Every flower is a judgment call. Too early, the oil concentration is not yet peak. Too late, petals begin to fall in the exposed stamens.
Rain during the Kazanlak harvest is a crisis. Heavy rain damages open Rosa damascena bloom.
A full sack of freshly picked Rosa damascena flowers weighs 20 kilograms. It contains approximately 10,000 individual rose.
Hurry up, everyone. Only a few minutes left until 10.
Bring the baskets to the truck now.
Timing is absolute. Freshly picked Rosa damascena flowers must reach the distillery and begin processing within 4 to 6 hours of harvest.
By 11 a.m., the Kazanlak rose fields are quiet. The pickers have gone. The sacks are at the distillery. The harvest is complete.
The copper alembic still, virtually unchanged in design since 17th century Ottoman Bulgaria.
Crescents. Each copper still in a Kazanlak distillery holds between 500 and 3,000 kilograms the fresh Rosa damascena flowers. As steam rises through the packed Rosa damascena petals, it picks up the volatile aromatic compounds from the petal oil glands. The distillate that flows from the condenser is called rose water, and it contains both dissolved water and a tiny floating layer of pure rose essential oil. Rose otto, essential oil from Bulgaria, is slightly less dense than water. It floats. Below 18 degrees, it begins to congeal into a soft, waxy solid, as some of its component molecules, primarily stearins. The congealing of Bulgarian rose otto at cool temperatures has been used for centuries as an authenticity test. Counterfeit or Bulgarian rose water, the byproduct of rose otto distillation, is itself a valuable product, used in Bulgarian cuisine. The yield of rose otto from Rosa damascena depends on the distillation method, the harvest timing, and the flower quality.
Modern analytical chemistry has mapped the complete chemical fingerprint of authentic Bulgarian Rosa damascena otto ACE.
The head distiller of a Kazanlak Rose Oil Company carries knowledge that cannot be fully taught in a classroom.
Mentions. 1 gram of pure gold currently costs approximately $60. 1 gram of certified
Bulgarian Rosa damascena rose otto is a foundational ingredient in the most prestigious perfumes in the world. In the perfume laboratories of Paris, a drop of Bulgarian rose otto is handled with the precision of a surgical instrument. The global natural rose oil market generates approximately $600 million annually.
Every drop in this vial represents the essence of the valley. We distill the petals fresh, right here. It is very labor-intensive.
Bulgarian rose otto has been used medicinally in Bulgaria for centuries as an anti-inflammatory, a treatment for depression and anxiety, and in traditional reproductive health remedies. Bulgarian Rose Absolute, produced by solvent extraction rather than steam distillation, captures a different aromatic profile from the same Rosa damascena flower.
Rosa damascena petals not used for distillation find their way into Bulgarian cuisine. Rose petal jam.
Authentic Bulgarian rose otto is protected by a national quality standard and a geographical indication recognized by the European Union. 1 drop of Bulgarian rose otto on a perfumer's strip. It will hold its scent for 12 hours, evolving from bright and floral in the first hour.
Every June, when the last Rosa damascena flower of the season has been distilled, the Kazanlak Rose Festival marks the end of the harvest.
By the last week of May, the Rosa damascena harvest is over. The flowers that were not picked have dropped their petals. The bushes are setting rose hips.
For a Bulgarian rose farming family, the 20-day harvest is the year. Everything else, the pruning, the spring...
The Bulgarian government now includes traditional rose cultivation and distillation knowledge in national school curricula in the Kazanlak region.
The Kazanlak Rose Valley faces a contemporary threat that ancient Ottoman traders could not have imagined.
The Rose Research Institute in Kazanlak, established in 1904, maintains the world's largest collection of Rosa damascena.
From the wrist of a woman in Paris, in the fragrance she chose this morning, a Bulgarian rose is still speaking.
The roses are gone for another year. The copper stills are cooling. The oil is in its vials. $3.5 tons of flowers, picked by hand before the sun reaches them.